Alright everyone, so now we have completed the routing. Now in this video we are going to set up the basic or global CSS that is required. So for that we have to go to this index.css. This is the global CSS file, and here first what I'll do, I'll just remove all of this, and then we have to go to Google Fonts because we will be using some Google font, and we have to go to this fonts.google.com, and here we will be searching for Roboto. Now once you will search there, you will get this Roboto slab. You have to click here and then you will create some of the styles, basically like what is the font weight you want, like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. There are so many options you will get, but we will be using this medium 500. So for that you just have to click on this style. So because I already selected that, so that's why it's showing like remove this style. If you are coming here for the first time, you'll get like this, select this style. If I just click here and if I just go back here, you'll see that we will be getting this selected family, and here there will be two options like link or import. We have to click on this import and you just have to copy this part. Now I'll just copy this and we'll go back and you just have to paste it here, and this is done. So this will be the first step. Now next step is like we have to create the root variables. So for that what we have to do, we have to take the root here. So this is basically the root CSS, and here we will be using some of the variables so that those variables we can use in all the components while creating the CSS, and it will be easier to manage. So for that first what I'll do, because in the upcoming videos we will be creating the themes, but for now let's take the primary color as yellow. So this will be our primary color, so this will be basically yellow. So let's take it as yellow theme background color, and we'll take it as 1D 1D 1D. So this will be a black color. Next what we have to do, we have to take the main color. So this will be yellow theme main color, and this will be basically a yellow color. So we'll take it as FFDD40. All right, next we have to take the sub color. So this will be yellow theme sub text color. Sorry, this will be color, and we'll take it as white for now. And at the end we have to take the nav background color. So this will be yellow theme nav background color, and we'll take it as 181818. Now these four basically will be the main colors that we will be using throughout the application. Now to use that, what we have to do, basically we have to create another four variables. So this will be selected theme background color. And now what we have to do, we have to take var, and then we have to pass this yellow theme background color. So this will be yellow theme background color. Now what it will do, basically whenever you will be using this selected theme background color variable, it will indicate to this yellow theme background color, and it will pick up this color from this yellow theme background color variable. So that is the reason it is much easier to use variables. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy this and I'll paste here 4 times, and this will be the main color, this will be the sub text color, and this will be the nav background color. And let's copy all of this. So this will be yellow theme main color, this will be yellow theme subtext color, and this will be yellow theme nav background color, and this is done. So these will be our root variables for CSS. Next thing what we have to do, we have to create the font base. So we'll take it as font base, and we already installed. So this will be Roboto slab, the font we just imported from Google Fonts, and then comma we have to give serif. All right, now this is done. Next what we have to do, we have to reset some of the global CSS. So to reset any global CSS, what we have to do, we have to take star. Star means we are taking all the CSS at once. So what we have to do, we have to do box sizing as border box. Next we have to take padding as 0, margin as 0, and we'll take scroll behavior as smooth. Next we'll take the HTML element and we'll take font size as 62.5% and we'll take height as 100. Next we'll take the body element, and here first we have to take the background, and the background will be now where, and then what you have to do, you can see that we are getting selected theme background color, and this is the main advantage of using variables. Now what it will do, it will indicate this selected theme background color, it will go here and then it will pick up this color from this yellow theme background color. Alright, and next what we have to do, we have to take here height as 100%, and then at the end we have to take the root element and we'll make it as height as 100%. Now if you think from where this root element is basically coming, so if I just go to our public and let's go to this main index.html file, and you will see that there is a div with id root, and this is basically the main container where basically we are rendering all the components we are creating for this project. So basically I'm taking this root id and based on that I'm making height as 100%. Now if I just go back, and you'll see that we are getting the background color, and let's inspect once, and we'll go to body, and you can see that we are getting background as selected theme background color. If I just click here, this is denoting this yellow theme background color. If I click here, it is taking it from here. So that is all about the global CSS. Now let's start the nav work in the next video.